Guys, I just got the Balisong. Let's test the hitbox of the Balisong and the Karambit. First, let's test the Balisong. I just picked all the weapons that I have skins on. I think this spaceship thing. I have the balloon shorty. If you saw my other video, I got this. So let's start off with close up. Of course it hits.
Well, I haven't heard solid
One square away. Okay. Two squares away it hits. I love the animations on the Balisong. Okay, let's try. I don't think this would hit, but the 2.5. Yep, it doesn't. Okay, now I'm gonna go change to Karambit. Okay, got my Karambit here. Honestly, I think that Balisong has better animations in my opinion. But yeah, so right behind. So let's do one square away. Oh, that's not one. Oh, that's good. Okay, it hits. Two squares. It doesn't hit? Yep, it doesn't hit. So Balisong has a better hitbox. Bye guys.